guys, welcome back. So we're here in Williams, Arizona, where we're staying at the Grand Canyon Railway RV Park. You guys know that I'm always posting fun family vacations, but one of the most requested things that I've seen in my comment section is that you want more all-inclusive style family trips. Trips where you don't have to drive from place to place to place to have a good weekend. And that is why I think that this place is great. You can either stay at the hotel or the RV park. And with us being a full-time travel family of 4 living in our 5th wheel, this was ideal for us for this trip. And we're gonna be crossing another national park off of our list in the most unique way possible. So let's go check it out.
All right, folks, looks like I have parking. What do we do with parking? Well, we gotta get the rules straight. What rule? What rule? Rule number 1! What's that? I win!
All right, so we just boarded the Grand Canyon Railway train, which picks up right at the resort that we're staying at. That's what I meant when I was talking about more all-inclusive, where you're not having to drive from point A to point B back and forth a million times during your trip. It's super convenient. This train offers 6 classes. We opted for the most affordable option, which is the Pullman class. These train cars were created in 1923. If you know why I may have picked a car that was created in 1923, leave it in the comments below, because something else very important to our family was founded in 1923. But we're gonna take a 2-hour, 15-minute ride to the south rim of the Grand Canyon, and then we have 3 hours to explore, and they're gonna pick us back up and take us back. All right, so after just over 2 hours on that train, which was super fun and entertaining, we have now made it to the south rim of the Grand Canyon. You can see it here behind me. It drops you off right around the corner from the Bright Angel Lodge. We headed inside there, and next we're gonna head down to the Bright Angel Trail. I've heard there's some arches there that are to die for, and it's not supposed to be a super long trail, so let's go do that. Alright, so if you had plans on doing the Bright Angel Trail, which I just showed you in the previous clip, keep in mind you want to wear tennis shoes for sure. It is not a paved path, and it's a little anxiety-ridden. Not something I would highly recommend with little kids like mine. But yeah, I mean, if you're up for the challenge, I say do it. So now we're gonna head into the gift shop because the kids found a little thing that they want to do in there. So let's go. right, we're looking out the window right now, and there's some cowboys out there. They're chasing the train. It appears as though they might be trying to rob us.
That's big. Much obliged there, darling. Very nicely done. Oh, the two crew. I like that. Get it close up there, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Excellent work. One more for the full set.
And just like that, sadly, our time on the train and at the Grand Canyon has ended. But stay tuned because we have so many more things planned here in Williams, Arizona. And of course, we're going to take you guys along with us. So make sure you keep an eye on my YouTube page, but also you're gonna want to watch my Instagram daily for all of the fun things that we have going on.